Hi, how are you doing? Today we're going to draw a CD paint. So let's start the drawing. You can see an empty CD here, and I'm just going to color it with a long brush stroke. You can see here, I'm putting right now. All right. Okay. So first we are going to put the color all over the places. You can see a nice combination. So this is the dark ocean, as you can see. If we mix up the color with little white, then it may be little light color. So which is going to be the light blue. Okay, you can see the full shade. Now the white tone, this is going on for the top surface. Okay, this is a very light surface, and you can see I'm putting the color, very light color. All right. So the white is mixed up with blue for making the light shades, you can see. And a little bit silver. Okay. So you can see the variations of the tones of the color here. All right, now that the both surface is done, We're going to put some green color in this point. So let's put the color green. Okay. This is the green color, you can see. All right. We can use some white to make it a light green color. Okay. Let's put the lighter strokes. The silver color. And the white, you can see. All right, so we're putting it around the tree, you can see here. Also putting few colors to show the grasses. Now we're going to draw a house with golden color. You can see a nice house and a boat. All right, the house here is good. Now let's put some colors for the tree here. Okay. You can see the sailboat. All right, has some shadows on the water. And a border outline where the ocean meets the sky. All right. Few birds we're going to put on the sky. Like this. All right. So I hope you like the painting. This is all the way good. Very simple, nice and shiny. But you can see the expressions and the graphical presentations. It's like the abstract painting. So one more details we are going to put at the end, that let's put little bit golden for the house, as you can see here in this point. All right. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.